All right, here's a 535 loading tutorial. Most of the magazine is really easy to load. There's no gears in it, so you just pretty much put the film in, roll it in, and roll it back. So check it out. It's like that. 9P displacement mag. This is a lightweight mag. So you want to take some film out here, like over here, like so. Yeah. All right, and then you want to slip your mag in. Now here's the thing. Okay, check it out. This has to be open in the open mode, because if it's in the closed mode, the circuits on this kind of makes the magazine kind of start turning. I was really confused because when this was in the closed position, the take-up side it kept rolling, and that was really throwing me off a little bit. So that has to be open. The block out of the way. Now, one thing is that you never want to close this. I forget which one is first. I think you never want to close this unless this is slid in. So, all right, so real simple. Slide that into the rails up here and down there. And on a 535, it should just click in, okay? So let's give this a go. Put the film in there, in this channel. If you guys are Moviecam users, this will be very familiar because it has the loop adjusters on the top and the bottom. This is nothing like the BL4, so because that had a block in it that was really nice. Okay, so now you push it in until it clicks. That's that. All right. Now you don't want to push the loop builders up here. There's a mark on the top and a mark on the bottom. You don't want to push that in yet. These push in and turn just to build your loops a little bit nicer. Okay, loading position. I don't believe you can actually open the block with this out in the open position. You may be able to, but always keep it on the loading position. So puts the little notch here, slide it in. Okay, it's hard to do with one hand. Let's try it again. All right, all right, click it in, pull towards you, click it in, and it clicks in like so. All right, now we can go ahead and close the... As soon as you close this, the tensioners on your mag should lock it in place or tighten up the loop. So close this. You see it like kind of cinch a little bit, so that means that it's got tension on it. Now again, the marks. Now there's confusion about the marks. I think it's right at the point there, not above it, just perfectly on there. Now the thing with the 535 I also noticed was that it's very finicky. So it really wants you to build the loop perfectly. If it doesn't, it'll give you a problem. So reset your counter, like so. Zero out. Okay, then hit your phase button. Boom. Gives it a roll. And now let's see if it rolls. All right, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.